you been searching for that perfect dream home that has spaces for everyone to enjoy? Well, you found it right here at 3 Greenbush Grove Waterways, offering 4 bedrooms, home office, multiple living areas, theatre room, as well as a beautiful, fully tiled, heated pool and spa. I'm Genevieve Hill. Welcome to number 3 Greenbush Grove. Let's take a look through. Beyond an impressive frontage and contemporary white floorboards, you will flow past a formal lounge room and study located at the front of the house. The star of the show is the open plan entertaining zone, offering ample scope for the greatest get-togethers. Finished to top quality standards, it is a kitchen where everyone would love to get together. Stone bench tops, quality appliances, including 2 ovens and a servery window to the deck, making sure all your events are a success. And while you're relaxing with friends in the ALFRESCO area, the kids will love splashing in the sun-drenched, fully tiled pool or watching a movie in the fully equipped theatre room. All bedrooms are located upstairs, including a kids' retreat or 5th bedroom. And when mum and dad want some peace, they have a massive master suite complete with balcony to enjoy. With great attention to detail and set amongst low-maintenance gardens with north-facing rear, this is a premium family lifestyle that is ready to be lapped up in a location that is in hot demand. This stunning home is located so close to the Waterways Lake as well as the Nest Cafe, a perfect place to enjoy your Sunday brunch. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of this magnificent home, and I will look forward to welcoming you to 3 Greenbush Grove Waterways. Thank you for watching.